Hello and hope you're doing well. In this video we're going to take a look at this RKS series LED linear retrofit kit. What this does, it replaces your fluorescent light bulbs with these LED strips. So let's take a look. There are several models to consider. And I'm not going to talk to you about the installation because the manufacturer has done a really good professional video on how to install it, and that is very helpful. The box itself is very light. So let's take this out. So here we have at the end one piece, and then we have the LED strips here. So let's take them out. As you can see, the LEDs are right there. And on this one, it has two strips. And there's a magnet on the back, so they easily just stick on there. You don't have to glue it or anything like that. That's a plus because you can take them off and put them on the next light fixture. And here is what powers both lights, and it comes with some hardware, a few screws and washers. This goes to the power, and this goes onto your light strips like that. And you could also take this off. This is a magnet too. And you have an extra sticker for warning. And if you want to put a screw on there, there's pre-holes right there. There's two of them. And not only you can use this for your fluorescent light bulbs, you could also use this for anything, light up any space. Maybe on your shop, on your garage, wherever you want them to put in on there. And you can probably put them on there, the cabinet, so you don't see the LEDs maybe facing down. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.